Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix laptop screen flickering in Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and focus on your keyboard first, okay? On your keyboard, press Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B simultaneously, okay? Again, Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B simultaneously. You'll notice that your screen will turn off and on, okay? Just wait for it, and once done, go ahead and check if the flickers are still there, okay? If it's still flickering, go ahead and go to your search bar and type in System Update, all right? Click on Check for Updates, and in here, you're gonna wanna click on Check for Updates, okay? If there are available updates in here, you're gonna wanna install them. It will require you to restart computer. Just go to restart computer. And after that, go back to system updates again. Now scroll down and click on advanced options. And in here, you'll be able to find optional updates. Okay. In here, click on driver updates, as the driver for your monitor and graphics card might be available in here. Okay. You're going to want to install them all. All right. And then once that's done, again, download and install, wait for it. And after that, again, restart your computer. And once done, you should be good to go. Now, what if that still won't work? You're gonna want to go ahead and go to your search bar and type in Device Manager. Right here, click on it. Now, in here, go to your monitor. Select the specific monitor that is flickering, for example, my main monitor right here. Right click on it, click on Update, Browse, then let me pick. In here, select the monitor signature, okay? Once done, go ahead and hit on next, and follow the simple prompts. And once done, go ahead and check if it helps. If not, go to your display adapters. In here, select your specific graphics card, click on it, right click, update. Again, do the same thing. Let me pick and select NVIDIA, okay? Hit on next, and you should be good to go. Now, if that still will work, if there's still flickers, right click on the blank space right here on your screen, go to display settings, okay? Click on it, scroll all the way down, and you will find the option for advanced display. Click on it. In here, scroll down and choose the correct refresh rate, okay? For example, you have a 165 capable monitor, you can go ahead and choose that, or you can go ahead and lower the refresh rate right here and find the sweet spot, okay? That is it. If nothing else works, well, there might be a problem with your hardware, okay? First up, you're gonna wanna check on the cables. You might wanna try to unplug and plug it back in, okay, at the back of your monitor. And then you can go ahead and try to replace the cables as well. It could be the HDMI cable or the power cable. Okay, now if all else fail, you might want to get your monitor checked to a local technician. That is how you fix this issue where your laptop screen is flickering in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.